Welcome back. Today we're working on this beautiful Valentine's Day look using the LaColors DIVA GLAM palette. This look is very simple, easy, and quick. First up, we're taking the e.l.f. high definition powder and placing that under the eye to catch out fallout. We're going to use the LaColors eyeshadow primer and the Maybelline color tattoo in Barely Beige. And like I said, we're using that LaColors DIVA GLAM eyeshadow palette. This 18 colors for $2 at Dollar General. Dropping the sponge tip applicator, always dropping something. We're using this beautiful burgundy shade here, and it is gorgeous. It has some golden shimmers in it as well. And we're going to be applying this in the inner corner and on that outer corner, leaving the middle of our lid bare, because we're creating a beautiful halo look today using affordable eyeshadows. Oh, and for Valentine's Day. Like I said before, I really love how this turned out, and I feel like you could wear this as an everyday kind of look as well. And when the gold shadow mixes with the burgundy, it reminds me of like a sunrise kind of eye as well. It's beautiful. Well, I just keep packing the shades on because you really have to work with these shades to get the effect that you want. I'm going to take that beautiful golden shade here and apply that in the center of the lid. And I did speed this up, but I am patting all the shadows so I can get maximum payoff. I'm going to go back over the shades and blend as I go all the shades together. So when the burgundy blends with that beautiful golden shade, it's going to turn kind of a peachy orangey shade. It's really beautiful. I'm picking this shade up here as the highlight, and you also saw me blending down the crease as well. I'm just applying that shade there underneath the brow bone, blending it into the look. Like always, using it somewhat like a magic eraser to really blend down those harsh edges. Going back in with the burgundy shade to blend back with the brow bone highlight. And we're going to wipe away our fallout. And I applied some more translucent powder there under my eye. I'll wipe that away as well. And using the Milani eyeliner pencil to tightline. I'm leaving my lower lash line and waterline free because we're using the LaColors NUDE eyeliner. It's actually a pretty decent pencil, and I think it's a great nude. I'm using the Covergirl Kitty Cat Eye pencil in WhisPURR as an inner corner highlight there. And I'm also taking the Katy Perry Covergirl mascara to my lashes. Once this dried out, I really like the formulation of it and the brush, and I love how it makes my eyelashes look full and long. Here is the finished look. And for the lips, I'm taking LaColors Pout Matte Lip Gloss in Angel Kisses. This is a beautiful pink shade. And these are really awesome. In the description box, I will link a tips and tricks video on those. But that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more tutorials using LaColors.